I know I look a mess right now, but I just wanted to get this raw footage. This is gonna turn into a vlog today, I think. Something really exciting is happening. Josh just called me from work and told me to get ready. So I'm really excited. I don't want to tell you guys what it is yet, but just stay tuned, stay tuned.
I am so excited.
Spending money for today. This is a little hint for you guys. What could I be purchasing with all this money? Real talk though, I'm in the studio right now, so that means, what could that possibly mean? No, honestly, I'm just working on some editing right now for my next video. I did a fall get ready with me, or no, I think I'm titling it a fall morning routine video. You saw a little sneak peek like weeks ago, and I was supposed to edit it, and I said it was going to be up later that week. Well, that never happened because life happens, and I'm editing it now. Misspelling pumpkin and all, I'm just leaving it in there. I don't even care right now. Here's the surprise. I'm Pee-Pee. He keeps staring at himself in the mirror. Who is that?